This is Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides. I'm going to show you a really cool Kindle hack that lets you send a Word doc to your Kindle device, such as a Paperwhite. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and subscribe, and let's get started. So basically what you want to do is go to the desktop version of Amazon.com, go to Accounts and Lists, and then select Account. When you come to this page, scroll down to where it says Digital Content and Devices, and then click on Content Library. And from there, click on Preferences, scroll down, and then select Personal Document Settings. Now, this is where the action takes place. Unfortunately, this particular page doesn't allow you to directly upload the Word doc to your Kindle, but what it does show is it shows an email address you can send the Word document to. This email address is unique to my Kindle Paperwhite, and if I send it as an attachment, or somebody else sends it as an attachment from an approved email address, the doc will be loaded onto the Kindle, and then I can read it. And it can be an older Microsoft Word .doc file, or it can be a docx file. To make sure that you have an approved email address, scroll down below where it says Personal Document Archiving, and you'll see an option to add email addresses. And the email address that you send from, it can be your own, or it can be somebody that you work with or somebody that you know. That, like, they can send you the Word doc from that address. And assuming that the Kindle is not too old and the Word doc is not too gigantic, you can open it up on the Kindle. And this is super useful. For instance, if you're on a flight and you want to read a Word doc that maybe your colleague or one of your students sent you, you can do it that way. And I do this all the time. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and I'll see you next time.